Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about division with decimals. Now, in my previous videos we've done division using bus stop with and without remainders. So let me show you an example of that first and then we'll have a look at division with decimals. Now, we are going to use the same method. Now wait and see and you'll see just how easy it actually is. Okay, so let's do a normal question. 236 divided by 6. Okay, so let's draw our bus stop and set out the question. Here we go. Okay, the 6 we are dividing by goes outside and the big number inside the actual bus stop. Okay, so let's start with 6, how many times does it go into 2? Well, no, it doesn't. So let's pop a small 0 in there. Okay, now we look at 6 into 23. Circle the number so you know what you are doing. Okay, how many times does 6 go into 23? Let's go through the 6 times table. 6, 12, 18, 24. Stop, too big. Go back. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, let's pop that in. 6 times 3 is 18. That leaves us with a remainder of 5. Okay, pop the 5 in here and circle your new number. How many times does 6 go into 56? 6 times table, good. 9 times 6 is 54. That's the nearest number. Okay, so what do we do now? 54 isn't 56. We have a remainder of 2. Correct, well done. Final answer for 236 divided by 6 is 39, remainder 2. Okay, good, well done. Now, division with decimals. Let's have a look at a question. How about 42 42.6 divided by 6. Okay, so what do we do now? We set it out exactly the same. We draw the bus stop and we pop the numbers 6 outside and 42.6 inside the bus stop. Okay, now what do we do first? We do how many 6s go into 4? No, they don't. If you want to pop a small 0, you can. Now, how many 6s in 42? Let's circle our number just like we did before. The 6 times table, 7 times 6 is 42. Good. How many 6s now go into 6? 1. Good. But what have we forgotten? Good memory, our decimal point. Okay? So, let's recap. How many 6s go into 42.6? 7.1. Easy method, exactly the same as when you're using a whole number. And there's your final answer, 7.1. Okay?